So those two questions of 3G, 23rd and 25th, who all have solved 25th question? Please tell me. Raise your hand. I mean, where are others? They are only 12 students as of now. Can you see? Okay, now increasing. So only two. What, Vijay? What happened?
Sir, I didn't do, sir.
Why?
Sir, I have to do.
No time. Anybody
Which
else?
question, sir?
25th question. 25th. 3G
Which
25th.
exercise? 3G.
Yes.
Sir, those two questions I've tried it, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I will solve it. See here. So the question is 3G 25th. The question is, if A plus B plus C equals to 9 and A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 35, find the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, right? This is the question. So we know that, Vijay, what is the expansion? What is the factors of this one? Identity, which identity? Tell me. Vijay. Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. A cube plus B cube C cube minus 3ABC.
Sir, A plus B plus C.
A plus B plus C.
A square plus B square.
A square plus B square.
Plus C square.
Minus
AY. No, sorry.
AY.
Sir, no, sir. AB.
Minus AB.
Minus BC minus CA.
Okay. So in this question, we have to find the value of this, and we know the expansion is this one. So this value is already given. Okay. This value is already given. Yes. But we don't have this value. We don't have this value. So then how to find this value? You have to think any formula, any identity where you are finding A, B, B, C, C, A. Can you tell me, Vijay, in which identity you will find this A, B, B, C, C, A? Prithvi?
Yes, sir.
Which identity you will find A, B, B, C, C, A? Yes, Aditya? Aditya, tell me. Which identity? My question is, don't give me the solution. I am telling which identity will find A, B, B, C, C, A?
Sir, can I tell?
A plus B plus C whole square.
Yes, A plus B plus C whole square. So what is expansion of A plus B plus C whole square? A square
plus B square plus
C
C
square
plus 2A plus 2BC plus 2CA.
plus 2CA. Now we know A plus B plus C already is given. So can we write 9 square equals to, this is also given, 35. We'll take 2 common, AB plus BC plus CA. Correct? Now 81, this will go here, 35 equals to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now this is what? 46. And this will go come here, 2. So AB plus BC plus CA is equals to what?
23.
23. You can say 23. So we got this value. Now in this equation, if I write it, this one, this equation I'm writing, A plus B plus C is what? 9. And in the second one, A square plus B square plus C square, 35. Minus, if we'll take minus common, AB plus BC plus CA will come, whose value we have already find 23. So this will be 23 equals to 9 into 12 is equals to 108. Anyone has any doubts or any steps you couldn't follow? Followed everything?
Sir,
Yeah, Prithvi?
yes, sir, understood.
Understood. Okay. Anybody who couldn't follow? Okay. Now tell me, raise your hand who all have done 23rd question. 23rd. Please raise your hand. Ashish and Aditya. Only two. Okay. Please write it down, this solution. Quickly, I'm giving you a minute time.
Sir, those 10 questions which you gave, will you tell the answers?
Prithvi, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Did you solve 23rd?
No, sir.
So let's go one by one, Prithvi. You're jumping to the other part. I will come back there. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
First you understand this, then you solve 23rd question. Done? Should I rub it? Okay, everyone has written. I'm just rubbing the board. Now, 23rd question is prove that A plus B plus C the whole cube minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube is equals to 3 into A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. This is your proving part. So Ashish, I think Ashish has it. Ashish, tell me,
Yes, sir. So A
what was
plus,
your approach? You tell me first.
so A plus B plus C whole cube.
Huh?
So first I took it as A plus B the whole cube
A plus B the whole cube.
plus C cube. So we
Yeah,
can
just hold on a second. You are telling that you wrote it like this.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Minus A cube.
Minus A cube.
Yes, sir. Minus B cube.
Okay.
Minus C cube.
Okay.
C cube 1.
Then just hold on a second, Ashish. How you can write this as this?
No, sir. I took A plus B as one term and C as the other term.
Huh? So you took A plus B as one term and C as another term, and you wrote
Yes,
it A plus B whole cube plus C
No, sir.
cube.
No, sir. I took A plus B plus this thing. I took it to the formula, sir. The formula A plus B plus C of A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC.
Come again.
So I used the formula.
Which identity? Tell me which identity.
So
I'll
A
write.
plus B is
plus-
one term. It's one term,
Okay.
and C is another term.
Okay.
So A plus B plus C whole cube. So A plus
Okay.
B plus C.
Okay. ठीक है. Now how to?
A plus B plus C.
Okay.
Bracket open.
Bracket open. अच्छा.
A
Then
plus B the whole square.
A plus B the whole square.
Yes, sir.
How?
No, sir. I'm using the formula. This.
Which formula? A plus B whole cube or A plus B C plus C whole cube? Which formula?
A plus B whole cube.
A plus B whole cube. What is the formula?
No,
A plus
A
B.
cube, A plus B plus A cube plus B cube is A plus B whole cube is A plus B
Answer.
A plus B
Wait.
of A square plus B square minus AB.
Come again.
A plus B whole cube is a square plus b square minus a plus b of a square plus b square minus ab.
No, Ashish, you're confused. Seems you are telling you wrote this as a plus b plus c whole cube. You took a plus b as one term, c as another term. Then you are telling this plus this whole cube. So I am telling a plus b whole cube. What is the identity? You tell me. A plus b whole cube. What is the identity? Ashish.
So
A plus b whole cube. What is the identity? Don't turn your page. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus 3b.
3ab bracket a plus b, right?
Yes, sir.
So where you have written that? Where? It's a cube plus b cube only. Where are the other parts? Yes, Aditya.
Yes, sir. So LHS is a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube.
Okay.
So we take a square bracket, a plus
Okay.
a plus b in one single bracket,
Okay.
and
A plus b in one single bracket, and then
plus c whole
plus
cube
c. Okay. So you can now
minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube.
now
Then we can expand. So it is a plus b the whole cube in a square
Okay.
bracket
a plus b whole cube, then
plus c cube
plus c cube.
plus 3abc 3ab and then another bracket c.
This one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And another bracket a plus b plus c.
Another bracket a.
No,
Another
sir.
bracket.
Another
Another
bracket.
bracket a
A plus
plus
b.
b plus c. Okay.
Yes,
Now a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Correct.
yes, sir.
Next,
A cube plus b cube.
this
Plus
one.
Yes, sir. This is equal
Okay. A
to
cube plus
plus
b cube
plus 3ab
plus 3ab
a plus
a
b
plus b
plus c cube
c cube
plus 3c a plus b
a plus b into
and a plus b.
c minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube.
Yes, sir.
No.
So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab
Hmm.
a plus b
Hmm.
plus c cube plus 3c
Hmm.
a plus b.
That we have written it, Aditya.
Yes, sir. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube
Hmm.
plus 3ab
A cube plus b cube plus c cube plus c a b
a plus b, sorry, a plus b.
3a plus b.
Yes, sir.
3a plus b
And then one square bracket ab
one square bracket ab
plus ac
plus
sorry, ab plus c
ab plus
c.
c.
Then one bracket a plus b plus c.
Okay.
Then bracket close
Okay.
and then a cube minus b cube minus c cube.
A cube minus b cube minus c cube.
Yes,
Now
sir.
just hold on a second. What you did here, you have taken 3a plus b common. So what is left out? ab plus
C.
what happened to this? Okay, c cube.
It-
Then 3a plus b. Okay, correct. Now go ahead.
Yes, sir. So if we open the bracket, it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube
This one.
plus 3ab.
3ab, yes. 3ab, okay.
Yes,
You are opening the bracket, okay.
Yes, sir.
C cube plus 3a plus 3b, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then another bracket ab plus ac plus bc
AC plus BC
plus c square. Then bracket close.
B cube minus C cube. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Now a plus b plus c and a cube plus b cube plus c cube and a minus a cube minus b cube minus c
Just
cube
hold
are-
on a second. Aditya, why don't you cancel? Why you are taking it ahead? Just
Yes,
cancel it.
that's what I'm saying. Just cancel the 3.
So 3A plus 3B into AB plus AC plus BC plus C square, right?
Yes, sir.
So should
Now
I
from
open the bracket?
Yes, sir. We can take common.
Okay, 3A plus 3B. In this you have to take common?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, I mean, first 2 terms, we can take common a
Now
A,
A, B plus
B
C
plus C.
plus C, C plus, sorry, B plus C. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Perfect. This is the solution.
Thank you, sir.
So what he took A plus B as one term and C as another term, and then he expanded A plus B whole cube in this form, and he wrote minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. Then what he did, he expanded this till here, and then same thing. What the approach is, I'll tell you the approach of this question. This is given, and you have to reach to this level. In the RHS, you don't find any cubes, C cube, B cube, A cube. So your first thing should be that you have to get rid of these cubes. So for that, what you have to do? See somewhere here, okay, A plus B plus C the whole cube. If I'll take this one term, this and another term, I'll get C cube, which I can cancel it. Now, A plus B whole cube left out. Again, A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB, A plus B. So this also gets cancelled here only. So we are left out with this term. Are you guys getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, it's not important to get the solution of this question. It's important to know how you can solve these type of questions. When LHS is given something, RHS is given something, you have to see what is your ultimate goal. You have to have get this answer. So for this, there is no cubes here. So first thing should come in your mind that how to get rid of these cubes. So for that, he made A plus B plus C, the whole cube. Then after expanding this, you will get this one, where C cube and C cube gone. Here only we can take it out. Now, when you will expand A plus B whole cube, you will get A cube plus B cube plus CAB, A plus B. Correct? So here, this A cube, B cube and this A cube, B cube also gone. So you are left out with only these many terms now. C cube is also gone. These many terms. Now you have, and second thing, when you are seeing at the right hand side, you have A plus B. So keep it like this, A plus B. Don't, expand it, because he expanded here again, then he took common. So don't have to expand it. Keep it like this. You have to solve inside this bracket, and you have to find B plus C, C plus A, because 3A plus B you have already got. Are you understanding the approach of the question?
Yes, sir.
And Ashish, you started very well, but here you made that mistake. Understood your mistake? You made
Yes,
A
sir.
cube plus B cube only, but what about 3A square B and 3AB square? You didn't write it. Please, any problem in understanding this question? Anyone? Then please write it down, the solution.
Sir,
Tell me, Ashish.
I had a doubt in the sixth one, in the questions you gave.
Okay, we'll come on that. First, write this. Sixth one question, I'll have to see whether it is 5x or 53x. I think these questions are from Adi Sharma. I think that question has some mistake. It is 53x.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
have to confirm it. Okay. I have to confirm. Anything apart from that sixth question, that we will discuss. Everyone wrote this?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now those 10 questions which yesterday I gave you, apart from sixth question, anyone has any doubt?
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good. So with this, I conclude this chapter, factorization. Okay.
Sir,
And yes, Prithvi?
sir, can you tell me the answer, sir?
Answer I'll tell you. I'll send it across. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So factorization is over. Hope you have done 2.5 NCRT as well.
Yes, sir. NCR.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me honestly, those who have not done 2.5 and this 3G completed. Tell me honestly, raise your hand.
So 3G I didn't finish fully.
So that's why I'm combined. I'm asking you, raise your hand. Others also. Otherwise, I will call you now. If you
So
say
only
कि I've done
2.5. It's only 2.5.
2 point till means NCRT 2.1 to 2.5 and RS Agarwal 3A to 3G.
It's only 2.5 in NCRT. Everything else done.
You have not done 2.5?
So I'm done with first 3 problems. I didn't get them.
So you also raise your hand.
Sir, even I didn't do 3G, sir.
Raise your hand. I just want to see. So I guess Aditya, Bhanupriya, and Rashi, these 3 have done everything. Rest you have pending work, right? So today you have time to complete. Okay. And if you'll keep your backlog, so you'll not get time. And Saturday, Saturday 3 to 4, your test portion already given. Okay. So today, those guys who have raised your hand, you have only time till today. By tomorrow, everything should be on my number, WhatsApp number, your homework. Now, next chapter is coordinate geometry. Very interesting chapter. And for class 9th, it is very easy chapter also. And I don't think you are going to study anything extra. In 8th class, you have already studied coordinate geometry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So same thing I'm going to repeat it today for class 9th as well. Because in class 10th, you will have little tough questions. So coordinate geometry. So in fact, you're going to teach. I will call you guys and you will give me answer. I'm just so O. This is 0 point.
Origin.
This is a Cartesian plane. We say it a Cartesian plane. Okay. And this point is 0. This axis is known as x-axis. And this axis is known as y-axis. This is positive side of x. This is positive side of y. Opposite to this is negative axis of y. And this is negative axis of x. Okay? Understood? Positive axis, positive x-axis, positive y-axis. Negative y-axis, negative x-axis. There is one point. So, when we say 0.24, we have, this means that
X-axis.
2 is x and
2 is at x-axis and 4 is at
Y-axis.
y-axis. So if I write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2. Suppose minus 6. Minus 1. So when you have to plot this point, any point given with P 2, 4. 2 means this is x-axis. So on x-axis, positive 2. So positive 2 is here. On y-axis, 4 means this is here. So you have to draw like this. You have to draw like this. And this is the point. So we say this point as P 2, 4. So to plot a point 2, 4, this is the method. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If I say P minus 2, 4. So P minus 2 means x-axis negative. Minus 2 is here. Okay, minus 2. P4 means y-axis 4. So we can draw like this, minus 2 and 4. So this is point, if I say P1, this is point P1. Minus 2, 4. Is it clear how to plot? Yes?
You wrote minus y twice.
I wrote minus.
Y
Yes, sir,
twice.
instead of minus X in the second quadrant.
Minus 1, 2, 3, 4,
Minus-
5.
Minus y.
X. It should be minus
Oh,
X.
sir, minus, sorry, minus x, sorry.
And in the negative y-axis, minus 6, it should be there. Last number.
Okay, understood this point? How to plot minus 2, 4? Now, third point. 2 minus 4. So 2 x-axis here, minus 4 here. So this is the point P2. Let's denote it as P2. We can write it as 2 minus 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, fourth point. Let's suppose minus 2 minus 4. So x-axis minus 2 this way, y-axis minus 4 this way. So this point is
P3.
P3 minus 2 minus 4. Did you understand
Yes, sir.
how to plot this point? Any doubt in plotting a point?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Then a very quick question to you. What is the area of P, P1, P2, P3? What is the area? If I say P, P1, P2, P3, means P, P1, P3, sorry, P3 and P2.
Sir, I-
32.
You calculate and raise your hand. What is the area of P, P1, P3, P2? P, P1, P3, P2. Raise your hand.
Sir, area.
Area. Okay, Rashi, tell me what's your area?
sir, I got 32.
Okay. Aditya, what's your area?
Same.
32. Yes, Rashi, tell me how you found 32.
Sir, in the length, like there is 4 in the second quadrant and there is 4 in the third quadrant. So I added those two, so the total length is 8. And on
So you're telling this point to this point, right?
P1 to P3.
So you can tell your answer is correct. So here to here, what is the length of this
4.
segment? 4. From here to here,
4.
4. So 4 and 4, that is 8. Now from here to here,
P1 to P, that's 4.
2 and 2.
That's 4.
So 8 into 4 is 32. Understood? Others, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sia, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Again, I am repeating. This segment, since from here to here, we have taken 4. So this is 4. From here to here, minus 4. So the length is 4. This is 4. From here to here, it is 2. This is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 into 4, 32. Now, if I talk about quadrant, this is known as first quadrant. This is known as second quadrant. This is other one is known as third and fourth. Prithvi. Prithvi. Is he there or not? No, he's not there. Okay. Aristan.
What?
Tell me for second quadrant, X value and Y value, their sign.
Sir?
Or I'll say point -2, -4 lies in which quadrant?
-2, -4.
Yes.
Sir, I think in the
Be sure, don't think. Be
third
sure.
quadrant. Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. And -2 and 4?
That would be fourth quadrant.
-2 and 4.
Second.
4 minus 2?
4 minus 2, fourth.
Okay, good. So you remember this. So first quadrant, if I say first quadrant, the x value and y value for the first quadrant will always be positive. This is positive and this is positive. In the first quadrant, x value and y value will always be positive. X is positive, y is positive. In second quadrant, x is negative. So we say negative and x is negative, but y is positive. So it is minus plus. In the third quadrant, x is negative, y is negative. We say negative, negative. Both are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So understood? These questions are objective question, 1 mark question. They will give you a point. They will say 4 minus 2, which quadrant it lies. So you have to quickly tell. 4 means, if I say 4 minus 5. So x is positive, y is negative. Where it is? X is positive and y is negative. Fourth quadrant. So you'll have to write fourth quadrant. If I say minus lies in third quadrant. Plus minus. Oh, sorry, plus minus. So minus plus. It lies in second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Plus lies in first quadrant.
First quadrant.
So understood how to plot points, what are quadrants, okay, and how to find the area. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Everyone, please raise your hand if it's not clear. And who has joined with iPhone XR? Can you please tell me your name?
Sir, me, sir, Prithvi.
Prithvi, okay, you changing so many numbers, okay. Okay. I just check it because I don't want any external person to join.
Sir, I left the meeting from that time.
Okay, no problem. Just wanted to verify if any external person is not there. So this is one type, 2-3 type of questions we have discussed. Now next is mirror image. If I give you a point P to 4, what is the mirror image if mirror is on y-axis? Give a try, then I will tell you the answer. You give a try. What is the mirror image of point P when the mirror is on y-axis?
4, 2.
So one answer is, let's say mirror image 4, 2 he's telling. Okay. Anybody else with answer?
-2, 4.
Yeah, 4, 2 said? 4, 2, who said this answer? Please tell me. I didn't see it.
Aditya, sorry, sir, that was
Aditya.
wrong. It was just a guess,
Aditya.
sir.
And then -4, 2 who said?
Rajarshi.
-4, 2. Rashi. Any other?
So -2, -4.
-2, -4 who said?
Ashish.
-2, -4. Ashish.
I want to change my answer. It will be
Well, it was one take. It was one take.
okay.
No, don't worry. It's okay. Sometimes you should be wrong also. Don't worry. So, I'll tell you. I'll keep mirror here. So reflection of this point will be this side. It won't go to this side and it won't go to this side. It will go to this side. Correct? Do you agree on this?
So mirror, right? So mirror would reflect on the same side, right?
If I put mirror here, it will reflect which side?
So mirror, other side we can't see, right?
It's
Only
a
one
mirror
side.
image. I am telling a mirror image.
Oh,
So this reflection will be other side. Here it will be point. This is 2, right? This is 4. It will be -2, 4. But when I say if I have kept mirror on the x-axis, then what will be the point? Quick
2 minus
answer.
4.
Huh?
2 minus
2
4.
minus 4.
2 minus 4, right? Understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Mirror
Yes,
image
sir.
question. You will get again this as objective. They will give you a point. They will ask you mirror image when on x-axis or on y-axis, like that they will give, and you have to quickly give the answer. The options will be given there. Got it? Anyone has any doubt in this question? Please raise your hand if you have any doubt. No. Now one question I'm giving you on the basis of what I taught you now.
So we should draw.
Pardon?
So should we draw the? Should we also draw?
This one, yes, you were supposed to. Now I'm giving next question. Three vertices of a square ABCD. Three vertices of the square ABCD are A, 3, 2, B, -2, 2, and D, -3, 3. Okay? Three vertices of squares A, B, and D is given. Plot this point on a graph paper. As of now, you will not have graph. At least you can draw on your notebook. Plot this point on graph paper and hence find the coordinate of C. C coordinate you have to tell me. Also find the area of the square ABCD.
That is a square, right?
It's a square. Yes, ABCD is a square. Square. Square ABCD whose three vertices are this, this, and this. You have to find the coordinate of C and find the area. A point. I'm also doing it parallelly. B point -2 on 2. B point -3, 3.
Sir, I got.
Okay. -2, 3, 2, -2, 2. D is -3, 3. C point. What will be the C point? -2.
-2, -2.
Others, just raise your hand, those who have done. I just hold on. Who said that you have done? Who got the answer?
Sir, Aditya.
Aditya, where is your D point? Which coordinate?
C point, third
D,
quadrant,
D. I said D. D.
fourth quadrant.
How? I didn't. I wrote it -3, 3.
Oh, yes.
Yes. How you got it?
Sorry, sir.
So in R.D. Sharma, in this question, they have given -3, but it is actually 3, and this is -3. That's why I was plotting here and I got confused. So this is 3 minus 3.
So now I got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I guess the area is 25.
Let's see. Wait, others also. Let others do.
Sir, even I got it.
When I got it.
After sir got it.
Let's see others. So the A point is 3, 2. So I draw 3 here and 2 here. That is on the first quadrant. This is B -2, 2. -2 is, and 2 is on second quadrant. So -2 and 2, B point. Now C is, they have not given, D point they have given. 3 minus 3. So 3 is this one, -3 is this one. It goes in fourth quadrant. So you have plotted these 3 points. The fourth point you want. So what you will do? This you are going to extend it. This you are going to extend it. This point will come. This is where? -3. This is -2. X-axis is -2 and y-axis is -3. So -2, -3. So C point is -2, -3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. Clear.
Now C point we got. Now we have to find area. Area is what you have to find. So this is 3 length. This length is 3, and this is also 2, right?
Yes, sir. 2 plus
2.
3.
So this is whole together is 5,
5.
and in here it is 2, and this one is 3. So this is
25 meter,
Five.
25 unit square.
So this is 25 unit square. Please tell me, this is this is what you have to learn in coordinate geometry. Tell me any doubt in plotting the point, joining the points, finding the area of a point, and finding the mirror image of any point. Area of, not point, area of that figure which you are drawing. Any problem in understanding?
Sir, could you just explain again how to find the area?
Area is what, Aristan?
Sum of all sides.
Sum of all sides is not area, that is perimeter, Aristan. What is area of square? Aristan?
Into length.
Huh?
Side into side.
Area of square.
4 into length.
4?
4 into length. Side, sorry.
4 into side is area. Aristan? Side square is area.
Oh, that's what I meant. Side into side.
You said 4 into side. 4a, you said. It is a square.
Yes, sir.
So this side is what? From here to here, what is the length? 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
From here to here, what is the length? 3.
Yes, sir.
So altogether from point A to D, what is the length?
5.
5. From here to here, what is the length? 2.
Yes, sir.
From here to here, what is the length? 3.
Yes, sir.
What is total length? 5. So this is 5, this is 5. 5 into 5, 25. Got it?
Yes.
Any doubt anyone has, please tell me. Okay, then take one question.
Should we do it now?
Yes, do it now. Three vertices of ABC, triangle ABC. Three vertices of triangle ABC are -2, 2, and C is 3, 2. Plot these points and calculate the area of ABC.
So,
Yes, Ashish?
area of ABC, right?
Yes, area of ABC.
Sir, I got it.
Okay, I'll get your answer. Wait for a minute.
Yes, sir, even I got it. Area, no? I found area because
Others? Yes, Rashi. Yeah, Aditya, tell me your answer.
so me
Yeah, Aditya.
4 unit square.
Your Rashi, your answer.
Sir, I got 5 unit square.
5 unit square is right. So you guys are struggling here. So I will do this question again. I mean, this I will only do. Now I'll call one by one. Tejal, plot this point A14. Tell me where I have to plot, in which quadrant?
So A1.
A1 for in which this point where I have to plot, in which quadrant? 1, 2, 3, 4, -1. Tell me the quadrant.
So first.
First quadrant, okay. So 1 is this one point and 4 is this one. So it will be here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now B point.
So second.
This quadrant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So -2 and -2. So this is the point, right?
Yes.
B is -2, 2. C quadrant, C point. In which quadrant?
So the first one again.
First one?
Yes,
This
sir.
also in the first one.
Sir, 3 and 2 both are plus.
So where we have to plot? Where we have to plot?
So the first one again.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Be sure. When you are yes means yes. Yes, you are correct. So 3 and 2. So this is C point, 3, 2, correct? So we'll join this. Becomes a triangle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the area of a triangle? What is area of a triangle, Tejal? Formula.
So half into base into height.
Okay, good. Half into area of a triangle is half into base into height. So what is base here in this?
So from -3 to +3 you will take.
Minus where is -3? This is -2.
Okay, sorry, sir. -2 to +3.
So you say BC is the base, right? Half into base is BC. What is height? This will be height.
Yes, sir.
Let's suppose this is M. AM
AM.
is the height. Very good. Half. So BC, what is the length of BC?
5.
5. How you calculated 5?
Sir, here this side 3 and the
This side 3 and this side
2.
2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's correct. 5.
Oh,
And
sorry,
what is AM?
AM is 1.
How 1?
So from
This
A to M.
is AM, right?
Yes, sir. That.
Sir, it's 2.
Wait. Let her, if she is solving, let her solve. Yes, this is AM.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to find the height of this. So means what? If this height minus this height, you will get this height.
Yes, sir.
This height minus this height, you will get this height.
Yeah.
So what is this height?
Sir, 4.
4. What is this height?
2, sir. So
2.
2.
So what is AM?
2.
4 minus 2?
Yes, sir.
Half into 5 into 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Good, Tejal. You did it. You should be confident. Okay. You know it. You know the solution. Still you don't say. Or you don't raise your hand. Understood, Tejal?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is all about this chapter. I am going to send you RS Agarwal PDF. Only 7 questions. Only. And the chapter will be over. You know? Only one exercise. That also only 7 questions. So I'll send you the PDF. You please do it. Only thing is you have to plot points. You have to find the area of the figure after joining those points, and the mirror image question. Okay? And you know the quadrants, first, second, third, fourth quadrant and their negative and positive sign. Okay?
Or is it 4A?
This is 5, exercise 5. Okay?
This is chapter 5.
Yes, chapter 5.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so only one exercise with 7 questions. So please do it, and we'll take it in the next class. Okay?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.